My name is Sergeant Ashlee Thompson. I grew up coming to the White House, and I just grew up around Secret Service people, and I just always knew that that was what I wanted to do. We do all of the preliminary work before our officers get here. So that includes doing walkthroughs of all of our different sites we're expecting, liaisoning with all of our partners, whether it's TSA, HSI, any partners that are going to be helping us out on our sites. And we do all of the preliminary work to make sure once our officers get here, we have everything that we need to run smoothly. So I have to make sure we're crossing our T's, dotting our I's, that everything we do preliminarily matches to what we're doing on game day. So just seeing all the work that we've put in and how it all comes together is just really rewarding. So once you join the uniform division, the possibilities are limitless. You could do anything from a special team to a MAG advance. You want to travel the world. Literally, you can basically do almost anything you want to do on this job as long as you set your mind to it.